So Bitcoin is going down now due to a new wave of regulatory stuff from China. So we are going to talk about that, guys. I know you're wondering why Bitcoin is going down. I'm also going to give you my thoughts, my buy-in levels, and everything else you need to pay attention to. So welcome back, everybody. My name is Cristiano, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you're new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. All right, guys, let's not waste any more time. So you can see that we went down here. We had a red candle. We actually, these last 4 hourly candles went down by almost 5%. So we are inside of the orange box here. As you know, I am a buyer inside of this orange box. I do believe that the orange box is likely to hold. Is it always going to hold? Of course not. I did tell you a couple of days ago that the more times we hit the orange box, the less strong it's going to become. So if we continue to see these, these waves of FUD and dumps of Bitcoin, well, eventually it's not going to hold. But until it doesn't hold, I'm going to assume that it is going to hold because, yeah, we have been making some short-term trades here, as you know. And yeah, I do think it's a reasonable chance that this is going to hold also this time. But here's the thing. There's a couple of things we need to pay attention to. So first thing is that on the 4 hourly time frame, we're below all of the moving averages. But on the daily time frame, we just got support at the 100-day moving average, the purple line. So we did get this support. This is also something I told you about a couple of days ago, that if we were going to see this dump, well, it's likely that we're going to see another support here above the purple line, which is the 100-day moving average. Going back to the 4 hourly time frame, here's the situation. I am a buyer at all of the levels below here. Even though I'm not expecting us to see a massive crash here, I'm a buyer at $38,000. I posted all of these on Twitter. I posted all of these buy-in levels. And even if we do see a rather big dump, remember what happened last time we dumped to $30,000. People were expecting us to go to $10,000 and $20,000, but no, we made, life-changing amounts of money here, buying off of the $30,000 level. So I'm not, if we come down all the way to this level, which I'm not expecting, well, I'm going to be a massive buyer at these levels. The lower we go, the higher the opportunity to make money. This is why I always tell you to have some dry powder to be able to buy these dips. Always make sure to keep your HODL stack separate, your trading stack separate, and with your trading stack, you need to take profit at major resistances in order to be able to then buy the dip. So that's my strategy right here. I do believe that there's a likely chance that this is going to hold at 42. If it doesn't hold, then you got $38,000, you got 36, you got 34, 33, and then the massive one here at $30,000, where I am personally going to go in heavy. That's me. You do you. I will always do me. But there's another very important thing we need to pay attention to. And that is, of course, if we go to the weekly time frame, I did tell you that I want us to, and we are in Sunday right now, so this candle is going to close today. So I want us to rally above the blue line. I want us to close this candle, this weekly candle, above the blue line. Now, it's looking pretty dark right now because we're seeing this FUD and we're seeing Bitcoin go down. But let's see if we are going to get that rally, because the bulls are going to try to do everything they can to rally Bitcoin above this level, because this is a very important technical level for Bitcoin. So let's talk about why Bitcoin is going down. So the latest right now in the wave of China FUD is that China's largest exchange, Huobi, announced that before December the 31st, it will retire all existing mainland China users. So we're seeing this come into fruition right now. So we're seeing, the ban over in China for crypto transactions actually become reality. And these guys are, compliant with that as well. So that's why Bitcoin is going down right now. But just like I said yesterday, Bitcoin was designed and created to withstand, these governments and the rules and regulations. So we will see, guys. I got big hopes, no worries at all. If we go lower, I will be buying the dip. Another thing I want to show you is here on the BLX, and we've been talking about this cycle being similar to 2013, where we, we went up, we had a rally, we went above the blue line here, we went down, came back, the retest of the 1.618 Fibonacci level, and then we had another rally. Now this is the current price action, of course. Now I want to show you 2013, and this is how it looked in 2013. So we had a rally, we came down, we found support of the blue line, the 1.618, just like in this cycle. We had a rally, we came down, we met support here at the 1.618, and then we've had a smaller rally, and now we are going down a little bit. So what happened in 2013? The cycle everyone are comparing this cycle to. So again, we went down here, but then we went sideways. After we found the support, we went sideways for a pretty long duration of time. And how long did we go sideways? Well, we had this support level of the 1.618. We made a new lower high compared to the previous one. But then we went sideways for quite a long time, and we actually also during this sideways action went down by 50%. So then we saw another big rally. So is there anything we can make of this? Well, currently we have been going sideways for a pretty long while as well. But yeah, I'm still expecting us to have that big rally towards the second part of this bull market. And I'm going to make a separate video. I know I've been talking about this. I am, outlining my thoughts, and this is going to blow your mind. So make sure to subscribe and activate the bell, because this is probably something that you have never seen anyone talk about previously. And I got a very clear vision of how I think the next couple of months and weeks is going to play out. So yeah, that's definitely something you will want to watch. For traditional markets are opening up in about 10 hours, the futures markets. You need to be watching this. If you see a big dump in the traditional markets, then I can almost for certain say that this level at 42 is not going to hold. But if they open up pretty strong or go sideways and continues to trend upwards, then on the contrary, I do believe that this is going to hold. So that's a good clue. Make sure to watch the traditional markets when they open up later today. And if you want to claim some bonuses, you're able to claim 1,200 on Femex. You're able to claim 2,200 over on C-Trade as well. Be careful when trading, guys. You're able to claim these bonuses. You don't have to trade with it immediately. You can claim the bonuses, and then once the markets are a bit less volatile, you can use that funds to trade with as well. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you in the next one.